Hey guys, it's Andrew from CryptoCoinDude.com. In today's video, we're going to take you through a walkthrough of the best crypto wallets out there for storing your Bitcoin and altcoins. Over the last 10 years, Bitcoin's value has skyrocketed. Cryptocurrencies have taken the world by storm. This leads us to needing ever more safe places to store our digital investments. If you're new to cryptocurrency and you're wondering what software or hardware you'll need, this video is for you. It's never been easier to get involved in crypto, and we'll have you covered on the safest, easiest and best crypto wallets available on the market today. Number 1. The best crypto wallet for beginners, Coinbase. Coinbase is one of the easiest ways to buy, sell and store cryptocurrencies. With Coinbase, you can connect your bank account and easily transfer fiat in or out of your wallet. It's the best fiat gateway in the crypto industry currently. While the big upside of Coinbase is ease of use, it's also one of the safest platforms and wallets around. If you're going to have one web wallet only, then this is the wallet for you. Let's look at the Coinbase wallet. On the left, you can see your wallets where you can send and deposit fiat and send and receive crypto such as Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, and Ethereum Classic and so on. It's easy to use and that's why we'd recommend it for beginners. Number 2, best for desktop, Electrum. Electrum made its way into the scene when Bitcoin was valued at just a few dollars. It's one of the oldest and most reliable wallets out there. It's now estimated that over 10% of all Bitcoin transactions occur on Electrum. It's a software wallet, which means your Bitcoin is stored on a set of files on your home computer. It's currently available for Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and Android. The most significant benefit is that you can quickly download and install Electrum. From there, you can store your Bitcoin. Electrum is considered one of the most secure and best Bitcoin wallets available today. Here's my Electrum wallet. As you can see, it's simple and stripped back. You can send, receive, and view your transaction history. It's a great choice if you want a desktop wallet and an easy access wallet. Number 3, best user experience for desktop, it's Exodus. The Exodus crypto wallet offers a beautiful and intuitive experience when storing crypto. If you're looking for a wallet for your digital currency which has clean graphics, a concise reporting system, is colourful and user-friendly, then Exodus should rank high on your list. In addition, Exodus has advanced features which you'd expect to have in any advanced level web-based online wallet, such as support for 100 plus crypto assets, one-click exchange, and top-notch security protocols. Number 4, best for mobile, Selenium. If you're looking for a top smartphone Bitcoin wallet, then Selenium may be the one for you. It's hard to find too many faults with this product. It's simple to understand and has many more complex features for advanced users. As they highlight on their site, it's tested by hundreds of thousands of users for many years. No alternative has more stars on Google Play. Sending and receiving is super fast, which makes it effective for storing and using small amounts of Bitcoin. This is the only crypto it supports. The only drawback is the potential security threat of being online. As with any device that is continually online storing private keys, security is never 100% guaranteed. In our opinion, this is a great option for sending and receiving whilst you're on the move and is something which can complement other storage solutions. Number 5, best security and best overall, the Ledger Nano X. The Ledger Nano is a USB-sized hardware wallet especially designed for the cryptocurrency market. It's a cold wallet, so your cryptocurrencies can be stored offline, making it one of the safest ways to keep your funds safe. It offers many features which are hard to find on any other type of crypto wallet, especially in terms of security and backing up your private keys for your digital currency. The Ledger Nano also allows you to complete a transaction exchange for your digital currency, use related apps, and transfer money from one account to another within seconds. The edge the Ledger Nano has over other hardware wallets is the number of coins and tokens it supports and its extremely portable size. As you can see here, You can install up to 100 apps, and it supports 1,100 plus assets. Underlying all these great attributes, the Ledger Nano X is very secure from hackers because of the physical buttons that must be used for any transaction to be carried out. And it has an anti-tamper proof feature which checks integrity of the hardware wallet every time it's powered up. It's a great choice, especially if you're wanting to get serious in crypto, trading and investing. We've dropped a link to the Ledger Nano site in the description should you wish to check it out. And that's our guide to the best crypto wallets for storing Bitcoin and altcoins. We are sure that from this curated selection, there are several options that will fit your needs. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please share and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to follow the Ledger Nano link below to check out our best crypto wallet choice.